Hi, this is MLB Fan. I'm making unboxing for two packages that came in the mail. Here we go. So we got the 2021 Finals patch, Phoenix Suns, Phoenix in white, Phoenix and purple outlining, yellow ball, yellow fire, silver fire, orange bill, purple crown, orange button, orange new era, orange and white NBA man, so gray under, NBA new era size 8. Try it on. Just combo it up. Got my Amari Stoudemire jersey on. Nice fit. Got the patch right here. So that's that one. So then the last package. Got a Mitchell and Ness Chicago Bulls hat. You got the yellow with print on top. You got the yellow bull with white horns and yellow tip. Got the yellow Mitchell and Ness, yellow snaps, yellow button. Says Chicago Bulls, and the bull right here underneath the brim. Mitchell and Ness, Chicago Bulls logo, NBA. Let's try it on. Let's combo it up. Got my Derrick Rose jersey on. Nice fit. So that's that. So that has been a quick unboxing for Mitchell and Ness Chicago Bulls and the Phoenix Suns 2021 NBA Finals patch hat. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.